In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide layers in Framer. We'll be walking through a quick and simple way to hide any layer inside your Framer project so you can keep your workspace organized and control what appears on the canvas. This is especially useful when you're testing layouts, temporarily removing elements from view, or cleaning up a design without deleting anything. First, go to Framer and make sure you're on the main project screen. From there, open the project you want to work on. Once your project loads, you'll be inside the editor where all of your design elements and settings are available. Next, click on Layers. This will open the Layers panel, which is where you can see all the elements in your project listed in a structured way. If you have a lot of items on the page, this panel makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Once the Layers panel is open, choose the layer you want to hide. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you're working with grouped elements or similarly named layers. Being precise at this stage helps avoid hiding the wrong part of your design. After that, right-click on the layer. This opens a context menu with several options related to that specific element. Look through the menu and click on Hide. As soon as you do that, the selected layer will be hidden from view. This is a great way to simplify your workspace while keeping the layer available in the project for later use. It's much safer than deleting something if you think you might need it again. And that's all it takes to hide layers in Framer. Once you get used to using the Layers panel and the right-click menu, managing complex designs becomes much faster and more intuitive.